Welcome to Practice Easy English. Super useful verbs in English for daily life. Acquire. Buy, obtain, get. I need to acquire new shoes for the party. You can buy them at the store downtown. Drain. Empty. Please drain the bathtub after your bath. Sure, I'll empty it right away. Collate. Gather, collect. I need to collate all the reports for the meeting. Sure, I'll help you gather the necessary documents. Embrace. Hug, cuddle. Let's forget past mistakes and embrace each other. You are right. Let's hug each other. Embrace. Accept, welcome. It's time to embrace new ideas. Let's accept new ideas to progress. Curb. Limit, control. We should curb our expenses this month. Let's limit our spending for a while. Quell. Suppress. The authorities are trying to quell the riot. I hope they succeed in suppressing the unrest in the city. Delegate. Assign, give a task or responsibility. I'm going to delegate tasks to each one. That's a good idea. You can assign roles to everyone involved. Procure. Obtain, acquire, get. I must procure some fresh vegetables for dinner. Let's get them from the market nearby. Demolish. Destroy. They're going to demolish the old house. Oh, you mean they'll destroy it completely? Destroy. Ruin. I accidentally destroyed my phone. Oh no, did you ruin it completely? Undergo. Experience, endure, go through. This year was really tough for me. I underwent terrible hardships. Sorry to hear that you experienced difficult times. My bike is undergoing repairs. Have you been undergoing medical treatment? Sustain. Maintain, continue. We should sustain this level of performance. Let's maintain our progress for success. Require. Need. I require your help with this project. Sure, you need assistance, I'll be there. Interrogate. Question. The police will interrogate the suspect tomorrow. They'll question the suspect for more information. Impose. Enforce. The authorities will impose new rules in the area. They'll enforce these new regulations soon. Compromise. Settle, come to an understanding. Let's compromise on the meeting time. Okay, let's settle on a time that works for everyone. Comprise. Include, consist of. The committee will comprise experts from different fields. It will include specialists with varied expertise. Restrict. Limit. The school will restrict entry after 8 p.m. They'll limit entry after 8 p.m. for security. Affect. Influence. Your actions can greatly affect the outcome. What you do can significantly influence the result. Surpass. Excel, be better than, exceed. I want to surpass my previous test score. You aim to excel and score even better. Excel. Do very well. She excelled in mathematics. Yes, she did very well in mathematics. Exceed. Surpass. The project's cost will exceed our budget. It will surpass the allocated budget. Extend. Lengthen. Let's extend the duration of our meeting. Sure, let's lengthen the meeting for more discussions. Expand. Grow. The company plans to expand its operations. They aim to grow and operate in new markets. Negotiate. Discuss. We need to negotiate the terms of the contract. Let's discuss the terms to reach a suitable agreement. Obtain. Get. I want to obtain a copy of that book. Let's get it from the library.